Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about JSON in JavaScript. This topic is very important because JSON is what connects JavaScript to the local storage, APIs, and backend servers. If you don't understand JSON, you will be confused later when working with real projects. So in this video, I'll explain what JSON is, why we need it, what JSON.stringify does, what JSON.parse does. We'll use the console a lot, so follow step by step. What is JSON? JSON simply means JavaScript Object Notation. It is just a text format used to store and send data. Important thing to know about JSON is that JavaScript objects are not JSON. JSON is always a string. That difference is where beginners usually get confused. Here, we are going to create a normal JavaScript object that has a name, an age, and a Boolean value. This is not JSON yet. This is just a JavaScript object. So now, let's come to our JS file. So we use the const to declare the variable, and the user is the variable name. And we have our first object property name with the value of piece. Then we go to the next property, which is age, with the value of 20. Then we go to the next property, which is a student, that gives us a Boolean value of true. So yeah, this is our normal JavaScript object. Alright, so we would need to console.log this. Okay, so let's console.log this object. So in the console, we'll see the object normally. JavaScript understands this object perfectly. Alright, so we have to go to our HTML to run this code. So open with live server. Yeah, this is running, and we'll go to our Chrome. So we'll need to open the inspect. Yeah, and go to the, let's maximize the screen. Now go to the console, and you can see that it understood that this is our normal conventional object. So this is the object with the age, is student and name. So let's come back to our code. Now this brings us to the question of why do we need JSON.stringify? Now here's the problem. JavaScript objects cannot be stored directly in local storage or sent to a server because local storage only stores strings. Now let's try saving this in our local storage. So the local storage does set item, we'll call the user, that's our object there, and look at it here. So this looks correct, but it is actually wrong. JavaScript will convert this object into something useless. You will see something like maybe object. That means the data is broken. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so let's clear this now and put it in the JSON.stringify. Alright, to convert from what object to normal strings. Alright, so that is what we are going to do right now. So we use the const keyword and the name of the string, which is user string. So as we know, the JSON.stringify converts a JavaScript object into a JSON string. This is the most important rule. String means object to string. Alright, so this is it here. So let's try calling the local storage here. So now this works perfectly because local storage accepts strings. Alright, and this is it here. And we write the name of the new variable that converted from the object to the string here. Yeah, so yeah, this is beautiful. We are able to convert from object to normal strings right now. Alright, so the next step we would have to do is to log this. Alright, so we would have to do the console.log. Alright, okay, before logging this, let's put everything here. Let's get the local storage. Alright, so local storage.get item. Alright, and we'll call what we are trying to get here. Alright, so yeah, we've called this and we'll just have to log it. Yeah, so this is just here. We just have to console.log this now. So console.log, the saved user, I think, yeah, saved user. All right, so even though it looks like an object, JavaScript still sees it as a text. So you can see, look how it appears right now. Okay, you can see the difference between it and the normal object. So this is like a plain text. Beautiful. So this is it. Let's clear the console.log. all right, so we'll be using our JSON.pass here. All right, so we just created a new variable called the passed user. So the JSON.pass converts a JSON string back into a JavaScript object. All right, one important rule you need to know is what the pass means: string to object. All right, so this is just what it is actually doing, and we just console.log this. Right, so we console.log the passed user. Yeah, so we can now access properties like normal here. So this calls everything here. You can see the age is student, and yeah, the name. You can see the prototype is object. Beautiful. And yeah, you can even do the dot age, no, dot name. Let's try dot name, and you see it calls piece. All right, calls piece is the name of the first property, and we could even try the next one, age, and yeah, it updates here 20. We could try the boolean value as well. So is student, and it tells us true. Yeah, always remember this: JSON.stringify before saving, and JSON.pass is after reading. If you forget one of them, your code will break. All right, so some common mistakes beginners make is forgetting to use the stringify, trying to access properties on a string, or passing something that is not JSON. If you understand this topic, APIs and storage would be easy. So in this video, you learned what JSON really is, why stringify is needed, why pass is needed. All right, how JavaScript talks to the storage. So if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.